What if I told you there's a way to get paid every single month for just owning a property? That is called cash flow. Cash flow is the money left over on a property after all of the expenses has been paid, and it is the lifeblood of passive income investing. Hey everybody, it's Randy Wolfe. In this video, we're talking about cash flow, so be sure to stick around until the very end because I'm going to share with you a tip that could instantly improve your cash flow on your very next deal. So let's dive in. Cash flow is simple. It's rental income minus expenses. If your property rents for $1,500 a month, let's say, and your total expenses, that's mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs, property management, all those things, if that comes out to $1,200, then your cash flow is $300 per month. Now, cash flow is very, very critical, particularly for two reasons. Number one is it creates passive income that you can live on or reinvest. And number two is it acts as a cushion against unexpected expenses or market downturns. But not all cash flow is equal. So many new investors really underestimate expenses. This is something I see so often with my students and people in the community and people that I'm helping get started, is they really underestimate expenses, especially vacancies, maintenance, and CapEx. CapEx, we talk about some other videos. That's basically big items like roofs and HVAC systems and things like that. But this can absolutely make a deal look profitable on paper, but painful in reality. So to maximize cash flow, I got a couple of tips for you. Number one is you really want to buy below market value. That's pretty obvious. Number two is look for properties with strong rent to price ratios. Number three, self-manage in the beginning if you're comfortable, but plan to hire management as you scale. This is something I talk about in some other videos. It's not a bad idea if you're able to self-manage in the beginning so you kind of understand what's going on, but it's a good idea to hand that off once you kind of learn the ropes on that. And number four, reduce expenses by appealing property taxes. This is funny because I'm in the process of this right now. You can actually appeal property taxes whenever you get your bill at the end of the year, or they'll usually send you out a reassessment. You can do that, or actually you can even refinance your mortgage at a lower interest rate. So that's kind of a little bonus there on that fourth way. You can actually look at your mortgage when interest rates go down. If there's a substantially lower interest rate available, you can refinance. Now, right now, rates are a little high, but again, keep an eye on rates. And as they go down again, they fluctuate. You can refinance and save some money there and get higher cash flow. And here's the tip. Raising rents isn't the only way to improve cash flow. It is one, but another really great way is just simply cutting expenses. Oftentimes, if you cut expenses, you can increase cash flow even faster. For example, negotiating with a cheaper insurance provider could save you hundreds per year, boosting your bottom line immediately. Now, here's a little value nugget. Cash flow is your financial freedom fuel. Even small amounts add up over time, and the consistency, that's what real estate is all about, is making consistent cash flow. And that's one of the things that just makes it so powerful. If you want to learn more about cash flow or how to invest in real estate, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out content every single week for absolutely free, and you can learn a lot, so be sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in more, you can check out my private community. I'll put the link in the description below. Now, right now, at the time of this recording, it's full, but if you go in later or now, whenever you go in, it will be opening back up again. So if you get there and it's full, you can join the wait list and be notified when it opens up. Or if you're watching this video later, maybe it's open, then take a look. Might be something you're interested in. But as always, I appreciate you watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.